Very good. Are you going to check? You don't like your mom anymore, so you want to go with me? But if you are going to live with me, I am very strict. No phone, no TV, no computer,
And no iPad.
no iPad.
If I'm adult, I'll cook.
Yes. You don't want to be adult. Why? There's something in your tummy. What? Food? Monster? There's monster in your tummy?